Hi, I'm Fred Roy, Operations Manager here at BallenIsles. I'm here at the Military Trail Guardhouse to bring you an important update. As you're already aware, Northern Palm Beach Improvement District has contracted with Hendricks Brothers to complete the associated construction and necessary upgrades. Right now, everything is on schedule as planned. The roof tile has been installed. The interior finishes and rough-in of electrical and plumbing are completed, as well as the air conditioning. The floor tile has been installed. All of the interior priming and painting are complete. The guardhouse operators for the gates have been installed, wired, and tested. On the exterior, the copper flashing is being finished, and the exterior painting has begun. Next week, what will happen is the interior finishes will show up. The toilets, the sinks, the cabinetry are left to be installed. After that, the grout will be completed. Everything right now, I'm happy to report, is on time and on schedule. Another construction project at Northern Palm Beach Improvement District will be beginning soon, starting June 24th, is the repaving of the pedestrian pathways. We thank you for your time and giving this important update. Have a great day.